Can I help you something, bro? Remember the other day I met this Jamaican rap and I something for you sleep on. Okay. Yeah, tell me say Jamaican nana good rappers. Jamaican rap? That didn't make sense, son. Reggae and dancehall, not Jamaican rap. Man, there's no such thing.
Even if there was such a thing, it can't be good.
Check, it's Scantana, the man with the most grammar, the man with the most hammers, the man with the most manners. It's Scantana, the man with the most hoes, the man with the most flow, the man with the most dough. I'm a giant, defiant to the odds. If I am not the resolution, I'm the cause. Orion, associated with a ring of stars. I'm so out of this world, I'll probably visit Mars. I'm trying to figure out who the fuck are the A&Rs. Cause by the time they find me, I probably already signed me. I'm the label, I'm the band, I'm everything behind me. I'm the rap, I'm the one-man army. And after all this stuff, that's a success story. I make the money, make the money, make the money. My niggas wanna wake up in the morning to the glory, pushing the Bugatti through the ghetto with a shorty. But life expectancy expect for me to die before I'm 40, and that's when life begins. So I'ma see it in. Maybe you see me when you see me on CNN. If you think that you can see me, think again. I'm a grammar man, eyes crossed, T's dotted, and that ain't a mistake either. Mistake either. I'm motivated, COVID overrated. I'm on the golden road, I chose, I paved it. I'm so Jamaican, so I'm prone to make it. Either I'ma get it, time, I'ma make it, time, and tech it. It's no debating, no complaining. I complied, I waited, hibernated. I'm woken, I am sure that I can see the tides are changing, and times are changing. It's fly behavior. Your family will take the side of strangers. Your enemy will save your life in the time of danger. Ayy, fake is real, your own kind of snake, yeah. But I'm a snake charmer. I stay calm when I face harm, and I got a raised arm for the day that I face karma. And I'm waiting on that date with honor. Living for today because I question mark tomorrow. Trust issues to discuss with you. Get me disgusted when you thinking that it's just with you.